How to scan QR code in Android without app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can scan QR code in Android device without using the application. You can scan a QR code on Android without installing any app. First of all, open your Android's phone camera application on your device and point it steadily at the QR code. If your camera supports QR scanning, a notification will appear with the QR code info. You will need to simply tap the notification to open the link or content. Also, in some devices, you may need to enable Scan QR code option in the camera setting first. For that, you will need to locate the gear or the settings icon. Here I could see the settings icon at the top left corner of my screen. Simply tap on it, and in these settings, find Scan QR code. Make sure the toggle button at the right side of this option is turned on. Also, you can scroll down from the top of your screen and open the quick settings where you'll be able to see the scan QR code icon. Simply by tapping on it, you'll be able to scan the QR codes. Also, if your QR code is in photo or your gallery, then you can simply select this gallery icon at the bottom right and then select a QR code from your gallery and then scan it. If this option is not available in your device, then you may also use the Google Lens. For that, you will need to open your Google application. And once you open it, here you'll be able to locate the Google Lens icon at the right side of the search bar. Simply tap on it and then point your camera at the QR code. Google Lens will automatically detect and show the QR code content or the link. You will need to simply click on the link in order to reach to the information that is on the QR code. So by following these steps, you should be able to scan QR code on Android device without installing any applications. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.